how to create insurance agent homepage panel. So today, tuturo ko sa iyo kung paano siya gagawin. Ito, nandito ako sa editing section ng system.io. And by the way, I'm using system.io for creating homepage panel for insurance agent. So ito, kung may logo ka, ilagay mo lang siya dito. And then, nag-provide ako ng contact information dito para yung prospect, when they need to call you, meron silang way para contact you. Ito, naglagay din ako ng pre-headline dito. Normally, it's your target audience ang nilalagay dito. And yung headline, yung pinaka-main benefit na ino-offer mo sa prospect. And then, naglagay ako ng konting copy dito and call to action. Ikaw na ba kung anong gusto mo ilagay na call to action dito? Pwedeng pre-consultation or mini-training na gusto mong mag-benefit yung prospect. And then, another copy and call to action. So, eto, naglagay pa ako dito ng section ng mga benefits na pinoprovide mo sa prospect. Either, I don't know, if you're expert in life insurance or critical disability or wealth and investment planning. Tapos, syempre, they need to know you. Kaya naglagay ako ng section na yung pangalan mo, yung story mo, yung expertise mo, ganyan, yung pwede mong ilagay dito. And then, another copy and call to action. Tapos, based on my research, insurance agent homepage panel, may mga frequently asked questions. So, pwede mo ilagay dito yung karaniwang tinatanong sa'yo para hindi na paulit-ulit mong sagutin. If they have questions na masasagot na dito, you can just share yung link nung homepage panel mo. And then, syempre, kung may iba ka pang expertise, ganyan, na pwede mong i-share, lagay mo rin sa section na to. And yung the way they can connect with you. So, eto, today I'm feeling generous. Kaya kung mag-sign up ka through my System.io affiliate link, ibibigay ko to sa yung homepage panel na to. Tapos, syempre, adjust mo na lang. Dagdag bawas ka based on your needs, expertise, brand colors, font style. Yan yung mga pwede mong adjustin dito. So, and kung wala ka namang time na mag-implement ng ganito sa insurance agency mo, connect ka lang. Maybe we can help na we can do this one for you para you will focus on dealing with your prospect and closing clients. So, hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. I hope na natuto ka, and don't forget to connect if you need help and have questions. Have a great day and talk to you soon.